you requested this song, botse fela le kgaugelo, di tlo latela. Mostly it's sung by Kgaugelo, okay? So this song is very simple. If you are new in this channel, don't forget to subscribe. I will use G sharp, F sharp, and G sharp. Ne? So before any waste of time, it starts right here. This one goes here, then it goes here. Okay? Then it goes here. Then it comes here, then it goes here. Then it says here, then it goes here, then we close it. Okay, this song is very simple, ne? It's where it says this is our song, okay? So so it starts on 1, then it goes to 5, then it goes back to 1. This is second inversion. Then it goes to 2, then it goes to 1, then it goes to 5, then it goes to 1, first inversion, then kgaugelo, okay? Then it goes to 4, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then it starts again. Then 2. Then it goes to 5. Then it goes to 1. Then it goes to then you close it, okay? So there's this part kgaugelo. So it starts right here. You will say 3, 3, 4. Then it goes to 3. This one, then you go here, ne? From 1 you go to 5, ne? Then 4, then 3, then 2, 1, then you do the same thing, ne? Same thing, ne? Finish it. So very simple. So yeah, before any waste of time, let's go to F sharp, ne? So in the F sharp it starts right here. If you're new in this channel, don't forget to subscribe. It starts right here. I hope we can all see it. Then you close it. Ne? Very, very simple, guys. Very simple. I don't see any problem here. Ne? So then it's like you are done, then that part. song, guys. So before end of time, let's go to C sharp. If you didn't understand in your preference key, please go and check again and again until you get this. Okay, so let's go to C sharp. Né? So it starts right here. This one. I hope you saw it. Very simple. It's like botse, fela, kgaugelo, I hope you can see it. Fela, so that part is like you go to 3, né? La, so I hope you all saw it. Please, if you didn't understand, go and check in your preference key. Né? It's like so this is a